Okay, hi there. So today on my channel, I want to talk about something. Ooh, I almost dropped my camera. So today I have something that I am super excited about, that I've been waiting a lifetime to get my hands on, and I finally got it. I got my first wig. I'm so excited. Okay, so for a couple months now I've been wearing extensions and I love my extensions. My extensions are awesome, but I've come to terms with the fact that I need a little more something. I need to take it up a notch because I like to change my hair color. So the extensions were good for me because my hair is really short right now, and for a couple months there I was trying not to bleach my hair and stuff like that. So I was just popping them on when I just wanted long hair, you know what I'm saying? But right now, lately, so I did this like last night and I'm kind of already over it. So I mean, it's starting to look, it's not red. I think it's reading kind of red on the camera, but it's actually like a fuchsia color. So it's like a bright ass fuchsia color. But anyways, I'm over it and I'm probably gonna go take it off tomorrow. So yeah, I need wigs in my life, point blank, because I change my mind about like my hair every day. So I ordered on Amazon. Hold on, let me get the info for you. So this is the Chrisima Fashion Ombre Blonde Glueless Lace Front, and it's a two-tone light brown roots, and it has like a side part. So it's a synthetic wig. So basically it's not real hair, it's plastic. So I'm not expecting it to be like, you know, I want this more for like indoor wear. But if it's like poppin' and I can get away with it, shoot, I might wear it out. But I don't know, it depends. We'll see how it goes. I'm brand new to the wig game. So I went to Sally's and got myself a wig cap. This baby right here. And then I don't know if I messed up because I saw some people saying they use the Got To Be invisible styling gel, and there was like another, like the one in black, like this one, and then I saw some people using the one in yellow, like a yellow one. So I don't know which one's better yet because I haven't tried it at all. I'm probably not gonna glue it down right now. I'm not gonna try that, or should I don't know. I don't know, we'll see. I've watched a couple videos and like I know you can kind of do certain things like give it baby hair and stuff like that to make it a little more realistic, but I saw a lot of people with this wig opening this wig straight out of the box and saying it was pretty good, just like that. So we shall see. Oh honey, so it comes in a package like this. Like the hair is 22 inches long. Ooh. So it's a long wig, and this wig cost me like $36. I think like $38 or something with shipping and handling. It wasn't bad at all. It comes with 2 wig caps, so that's pretty cool. And let's see, comes in a little bag like this. Oh my god, it feels amazing. Oh, this feels like it has some weight to it. Oh my lord, do you see that? What? Oh. I know this isn't like real. I know this isn't real hair, but honestly though, this looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, honey. This is gorgeous. It has like the shine to, oh my god, it feels really good. And it has like a tiny bit like of layering going on down here on the bottom. Okay, I'm pretty impressed at what this looks like right now, but it has like a very seamless transition right here. Okay, so it has 3 clips in here. Guys, this thing has a really nice like feel to it. So you can see like the knotting Hold on, let's see. I'm trying to see if you can see like the knots right there. You can kind of see, you can see the knots right here. But you use concealer, so let's do that. We'll do an unboxing slash my first try on my first wig and see how that goes. Because honey, pray for me, pray for me, pray for me that I can do this, because okay, so let's just go in. And I know, okay, so from the little bit that I know is you're supposed to go ahead and cut the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. I'm gonna attempt to do that just as close as you can. That's what I have so far. Whew. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my head, and then I'm gonna see if I feel like I need to make that part bigger and cut some baby hairs into it and whatnot. So I'm gonna go put my cap on and put this baby on my head and see what it looks like. So I'll be back. So I just barely have it on my head right now. Hold on, I need to detangle it. So let's get up close and personal. Hold on. So I'm having trouble with this side. I need to pull the wig cap back a little bit. And I'm just trying to get the front of this wig down good. Alright, so what I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go in there and try to make some baby hairs. Take some regular tweezers and I'm just gonna pluck some hairs kind of randomly. Alright, so I did go ahead and I glued on my wig with the Got2b glue. I was trying to find it. I went ahead and used the wig cap that was provided in the package, and I used the Got2b glue to just secure that baby on, because I was kind of having trouble putting it on without the wig. It was just, I mean, without the glue, it was just not working for me. I didn't really like how it looked without the glue, so I just put the cap on and put the glue on and just tried to secure it. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing this, so I'm probably not going to include that, because that was a struggle. And I tried to make some little tiny baby hairs. Like, I didn't go full on baby hair, you know, but I tried to put a little of them, glue some of them down a little bit, just to try to make it look a little more natural. Alright, so I'm just gonna go over that part right there with some concealer, because I can still see the knots. So I'm just gonna alright, so this is my final product on this beautiful wig, and I'm obsessed. I love this wig, and if you're thinking of getting it, get it. You won't regret it. It's super shiny, so what I think I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna put some baby powder and make it a little bit less shiny. It is hella long. So let me know, I don't know guys, let me know if you think this is something I could wear out in public and not look crazy. That's it for me for today, for this video. Thank you, and hasta luego.